Hello everybody. I have something exciting to share. Recently I launched coaching, which are basically one-on-one sessions where we can sit down and talk about the things that I am qualified to answer. So if you're, for example, struggling with certain workflows, if you want to learn something, if, for example, at work there is something that you need to learn or anything else highly specific, then these sessions might be really good for you. So the way it works is you go to my store using the link in the description where you can book this session as if you would be purchasing any other product on my website. Then you will get a PDF that's going to take you to a booking website where you can book our meeting, and then we can sit down and we can talk design. We can go through your projects, things you're struggling with. We can brainstorm anything you need, and of course anything that I actually am able to answer. I have clients that needed to meet just once to solve a specific problem. I also had clients where we basically turned this into a recurring set of sessions, and the feedback so far has been really good. So I just wanted to share this with you and announce it officially. And I will be excited if you decide to invest in your design career using my coaching program. So yeah, that's it. Go check out the link in the description. If you have any questions about this program, feel free to leave a comment below. And I'm looking forward to meeting some of you on our one-to-one live sessions. All right, that's it. Otherwise, I hope you're doing fantastic. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one.